बघा इथपर्यंत आलतो आपण की immunity and types of immunity. There are the two types of immunity: innate immunity and acquired immunity. Some types of innate immunity and some types of acquired immunity. That clear is point. Another next point is cell of immunosystem. But there are two main types of cell involved in the working of immunosystem. There are two types. Immunosystem that working is two types. One types of lymphocytic, another types of antigen presenting cell. Lymphocytics, that is the role of lymphocytes. Lymphocytes are the, what is mean by lymphocytes? Lymphocytes are the main cell of immunosystem. Lymphocyte ही महत्त्वाची सेल आहे इम्युनोसिस्टीमसाठी रिस्पॉन्स देण्यासाठी. आता इम्युनोसिस्टीमचा रिस्पॉन्स देण्यासाठी दोन टाईपचा आहे. दे लाईक देअर इज ब्लड कार्पस्कल अराइज फ्रॉम द स्टेम सेल. दे हेमोसायटोब्लास्ट प्रेझेंट इन द लिव्हर. म्हणजे कोणत्या ठिकाणी प्रेझेंट आहे? ही जी प्रेझेंट आहे हेमोसायटोब्लास्ट प्रेझेंट इन द लिव्हर, fat cells and in the bone marrow that develop of this cell into bone marrow in adults. Some of them undergoes differential, that is a role of differentials. In the lymphocyte is that develop into role of lymphocytics. There are another called as two types. One is B lymphocyte, in another is T lymphocyte. There are two lymphocyte is develop. आता बघा many of them stay in the lymphocytes nodes. B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes form of humoral antibodies. What is mean by antibodies? Antibodies that role of killing into antigen, म्हणजे antigen मारण्यासाठी antibody बॉडीमध्ये डेव्हलप होती. AMIS. What is mean by AMIS? And role of AMIS. AMIS means what? A means antibody, M means mediate, I means immunosystem, and A means antibody, I means immediate, I means immuno and S म्हणजे system, and cell mediate immunosystem, that is CMIS. C means cell, A means mediate, I means immuno, IS means system. Respectively, both the immunosystem need is antigen. The need is antigen to come into action, but they are response in different ways. वेगवेगळ्या वेजना काय करतात ते रिस्पॉन्स देतात. आता बा मेकॅनिझम of response of T lymphocyte to antigen. On coming contact with antigen, T lymphocyte from form of clone, T cell which are similar, T cell ही similar आहे परंतु but they are perform is different function. T cell is a same but is a function is a different, does not be function is same. बघा टी सेल ही सारखी आहे परंतु कार्य ही वेगवेगळे करते. आता पहा हेल्पर टी सेल, किल टी सेल, सुपर टी सेल and memory T cell. One by one, that is the one by one is T helper cell. Sanitized helper T cell produce lymphokinase for performing several types of function. That is T lymphocyte is a several types of function is a difference like is proliferations of other T stimulates of T lymphocyte microscopically develop. Killer T cell killer means cytotoxic T cell. They direct attack the destroy involving in microbe. आता टी किलर सेल काय करते, जर एखादा मायक्रो ऑर्गॅनिझम बॉडीमध्ये डायरेक्टली काय झाला इन्व्हॉल्व झाला तर त्याला मारण्यासाठी टी सेल काय करते, टी किलर टी सेल काय करते, काम करते. किलर टी सेल बाइंड टू इंजेक्टेड सेल, द सेक्रेशन परफॉर्म इज होल इन्फेक्टेड सेल. इट इज ऑल्सो रिलीज suspend that kill cell is a naturally cell is into naturally. Super T cell, these cell super enter immunosystem agent attack on the body. Memory T cell, that is role of memory T cell. Memory T cells which function, these are previously sanitized cell which returns the sanitization memory long time in the future. समजा एखादा व्हायरस आहे किंवा एखादा मेकॅनिझम आहे जसा की पोलिओ, एकदा पोलिओ घेतला तर ही काय करते, टी मेमरी सेलमध्ये हा काय करते, स्टोरेज करून ठेवती, म्हणजे माहिती सुद्धा टी लॅम्फोसाइट सेल ठेवते. मेकॅनिझम ऑफ ॲक्शन बी लॅम्फोसाइट. मेकॅनिझम ऑफ बी लॅम्फोसाइट इज अँटीजन अँड रोल ऑफ अँटीजन. Antibodies directly kill. The mechanism of B lymphocyte is antibodies. B lymphocytes are the sanitized directly by the both antigen as well as by T helper T cell active into B lymphocyte. Multiple and very fast to produce is clone. B lymphocyte, main role of B lymphocyte. B lymphocyte is a multiple grow of and very fastly produce in clone and plasma. And memory is B cell. Plasma cell produce is specialized glycoprotein called as antibodies, which are the circulatory through body like blood is lymphocyte. Antibodies molecule may be bind सेल मेम्ब्रेन. अँटीबॉडी कशाला बाइंड होतात की सेल मेम्ब्रेनला बाइंड होतात. अनदर इम्पॉर्टन्स रोल, द फ्री अँटीबॉडीज have three main function. There are the three main function. Elimination, particularly material including bacteria, viruses, म्हणजे त्या ठिकाणी बॅक्टेरिया आणि व्हायरसेस. इमोबिलाइज्ड मास, दॅट्स phagocytic. Another point is apponation. Coating is bacteria is facilitates subsequent phagocytic neutralization. Another point, this role of function is antibodies. Neutralization importance role. Toxic release by the bacteria. Example is retains toxic. Each antibody is specialized for the particular antigen. काही अँटीजनला पर्टिक्युलर अँटीजनला न्यूट्रल करण्याचं काम न्यूट्रलायझेशन प्रोसेसमध्ये बी लिम्फोसाइटिक सेल करते. अँटीजन प्रेझेंटिंग सेल मेन रोल. अँटीजन प्रेझेंटिंग सेल. अँटीजन प्रेझेंटिंग सेल इन्व्हॉल्विंग pathogen are process the antigen them. The processing antigen are presenting on their surface. These cells are able to deliver stimulation is a necessary activation of helper cell. म्हणजे ॲक्टिवेशन ऑफ द हेल्पर सेलला काय करते, काम करते. आता आपण याच्यामधून 2 पॉईंट महत्त्वाचे पाहिले. कोणते? सेल ऑफ इम्युनो सिस्टीम. सेल ऑफ इम्युनो सिस्टीम देयर आर 2 टाइप्स. सेल ऑफ इम्युनो सिस्टीम देयर आर 2 टाइप्स. one types of T lymphocyte, another types of B lymphocyte. T lymphocyte, some T lymphocyte are the same but its function is different. Which of function is different? T helper cell, T killer cell, superior cell, memory cell. B lymphocyte, there are another types, and B lymphocyte is a response in a very fast that is grow. आता T lymphocyte आणि B lymphocyte तुम्ही होमवर्क करून पाठवायचं.